So how does a COBRA buckle work? Here at Blue Alpha, we have many different buckles across many different lines of belts, and the answer is always the exact same. For a COBRA buckle, what you're going to do is you're going to press the buckles together, hit the two side release tabs, and the buckle comes right out. The COBRA buckle was designed not to release under a load. So if you have a load or you're pulling out on the buckle and you're trying to hit the tabs, one may come out, but it's not gonna release itself. So like I said before, you're just going to press the buckle together, hit the tabs, and it slides right out. Here at Blue Alpha, we have many different styles of buckles, and here's a few examples of them. This is a 1.75 inch buckle, and this is used on our Battle Belt Light and our Battle Belt line. This is the hybrid buckle, and what's nice about the hybrid buckle for EDC and concealed carry belts is that the female side of the buckle is designed to be able to go through your belt loops. That way you don't have to take the buckle completely apart. And then this one is a polymer option that happens to be a 2 inch, and so this is on our duty belt line of buckles. The exact same thing. This is a Ostra buckle that's made here in the US by ITW Nexus. And we really like the polymer buckles. So I know a lot of folks will see polymer and they're like, oh, well, I don't really want it. I mean, your Glock's polymer, but you know, whatever. We won't talk about that. But this is our preferred buckle that we use on our Battle Belt lights and duty belts. So just because it's polymer, give it a chance. It's a really, really nice buckle. So be sure to head over to bluealphabelts.com, check out all of our buckle options across all of our different belts, and see what option works best for you.